Hi Classer and welcome to week 10 of your maths activities. This week we will have 2 literacy activities and 2 maths activities. Remember, we are learning about on the farm. So today in maths we are going to focus on one less than. We have been thinking about subtraction and one more than. We can use both of these learnt skills to help us apply some learning with one less than. In reception, children need to learn how to count reliably with numbers from 1 to 20, place them in order, and say which number is one more or one less than a given number. So let's start by thinking about the concrete images. When we count backwards, our numbers decrease by 1 each time. This is the same as saying one less. Looking at the number blocks images, you can now practice counting backwards and subtracting 1. Looking at the blocks on the sides, we've started with 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're thinking about 1 less. So when we take a block away, how many will we have left? You may already be able to do this question in your head, but we can use concrete materials to help us solve harder challenges. Here is an example of the same question using the pictorial method. It says, 4 ducks were huddled around the pond. 1 duck waddled away. How many ducks are there now? So you can help your child by drawing pictures, using symbols, or drawing circles on a piece of paper. You can even use things such as number lines. So here we've got the 4 ducks. One of them is going to waddle away. So we're going to subtract 1 away from the 4. You can see that number 1 numicon has moved out the way. How many have you got left? Good, there should be 3. On the number line, we can see that we're going backwards from the 4 to the number 3. This is a hop of 1, so we know it is 1 less than. So for the same calculation again, I've written some abstract questions. So here's an example of an abstract question. What is 1 less than 4? There are 4 ducks huddled around a pond. 1 duck waddled away. How many ducks are there left now? So when we're looking at abstract problems, they might simply be a question, so you have to use what knowledge you have in your brain to work it out, or it might be more of a word problem. So today, our learning objective says, I can name 1 less than a given number to 20. I know that 1 less means subtracting 1 or counting backwards. I can find 1 less than using concrete objects. I can use pictures to help me find 1 less than. I can name 1 less than for an abstract question. For example, what is 1 less than 12? Challenge. I can begin to solve 1 less than questions beyond 20. Press pause now. So looking at the amounts on the screen, I want you to have a go at finding 1 less than. For a challenge, can you solve the abstract calculations at the side of the video? Remember to use objects to help you if you get stuck. Well done, you've finished your first maths session. Today in maths, it should be a Friday, we're going to think about the less than monkey who makes a lot of mischief at the zoo. Today the zookeeper is trying to count the animals in each enclosure, but the cheeky less than monkey is there. Every time the zookeeper arrives at an animal enclosure and counts the animals, the less than monkey removes one. Can you help the zookeeper work out what one less than will be? How many lions are there? You can use a mnemocon to guess. You can count up if you're not sure. Oh no! The less than monkey is going to take one away. What is 1 less than 3? Were you right? How many is left? 1 less than 3 is 2. How many elephants are there? Again, see if you can quickly recognize the amounts without counting it up. Oh no! The less than monkey is going to take one away. What is 1 less than 5? Fantastic. Did you say 4? 1 less than 5 is 4. How many frogs are there? Oh no! The less than monkey is going to take one away. What is 1 less than 8? Let's see if you're right. 1 less than 8 is 7. How many snakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For a challenge, you can even count this amount in twos. 2, 4, 6. Oh no! The less than monkey is going to take one away. What is 1 less than 6? 1 less than 6 is 5. How many giraffes are there? Quickly! Oh no! The less than monkey is going to take one away. What is 1 less than 4? 1 less than 4 is 3. How many birds are there? Remember, if you don't recognize the numicon amount or you can't subitize the amount of birds, you can count in twos. Let's try it together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, here he is again. The less than monkey is going to take one away. What is 1 less than 10? 1 less than 10 is 9. The cheeky less than monkey has taken one away from himself. What's 1 less than 1? 1 less than 1 is 0. It's nothing. There's nothing left. The cheeky less than monkey is in trouble with Mummy Monkey for confusing the zookeeper. Oh dear, less than monkey. I hope you enjoyed those games today. I would like you to think about continuing to explore one less than. You can finish the CPA activities from Tuesday or even create your own challenges. There are also mathletics activities set for you to complete. Have fun! Thank you again. Wow. Well done, Class R. Brilliant. You have now finished your end of week 10 learning.